Hey guys, it's me, Ty, and welcome back to another video here today on the channel. Today, we are back playing Dead Space, the remake, here today on the channel. And today, we are going to be continuing to inject the Wheezers scattered across the ship we are stranded on in space. And hopefully, save the scientist lady or whatever her name was that clearly can help us with our current kind of like zombie alien issue. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you like down below and subscribe. But other than that, let's get right into today's video. I don't really have anything to say. Okay, so we already did 2 of the Weezers last episode, so if you haven't seen that one, you definitely should go check it out. But for now, we need to just figure out what we're going to do here. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Where's the other one? It's right there. There we go. Okay. Go through here. Oh wow, if I landed there, that would have gotten hurt. Okay, yeah, some of these rooms looks like landing is a very good idea. No! Oh my god! What? Okay, don't get close to that thing. It instantly kills you. It just popped my head off. Oh my god. That was insane. Check the Wheezer. Ooh, that was weird. At least we didn't take a lot of damage. Ow. Speaking of damage, take this. Let's use one of those heals. Oh my god. Now where do we go? We're out of ammo for that. Oh! Jesus. Okay, we are backtracking now for number 4. Ooh, okay, load the area. There was one behind me? Dang it. Okay, we get the store here. Sadly, had to use 2 of our good heal, or not really good heals, but 2 of our existing heals. Let's get some ammo. For a trusty plasma cutter. That way, yep. Okie dokie. How do we get through here? Follow the power. Oh, yep, okay. I know what we gotta do. Now these doors over here are unlocked. This is where the other Wheezer looks to be, because the area is clearly contaminated.
Toxic hazard detected. Isaac, where are you? Help me.
Nicole? Take that! Oh. Oh my god, do you not die or what? Oh, you attacked me? Whew. Luckily we got a large med pack. Dang it. That is so annoying. Here, real quick, since we're running out of ammo, we will equip this instead. The trusty plasma rifle. Okay. I did notice that there's lockers over here. Won't forget these.
Isaac, I looked up Cross's notes on the... Oh, God. Oh, my God. It is him. 2 doors behind you. Here. Wait, he's gone. He waved at me, and... Sorry, Isaac. Keep going. A glitch on the cameras. It looks like my little brother. Stupid, right? That's not possible.
Can't hit that one. Weird. Oh my god! What is that? Oh my god. Oh god. Do I have to kill this thing? I need a battery? It launches things at me? Oh god. Oh my god, we got it. But it cost all of that gun's ammo. Just because of that thing? At least they gave us a node. Can we shoot that thing now? We can. Oh, I don't like that you can't run in this sticky stuff. Oh, it's in here. I didn't even realize. There you go. That was the last Wheezer. Mode to a crisp. Oh, there's 6? I thought there was only 5. Never mind. Ah. Deck systems. Okay, where do I get that? Might be in here. Yeah, there. Dang, we gotta get out of this room. Very hazardous in there. Come on. Press an E. I have E. Do we not have it? Set systems keycard. Looks like we do not have it. Oh wait, actually wait, we can check our key items, it said. Show key items. Yeah, deck systems keycard. Oh, we need power though. Then where's the battery? Ugh, duh. Didn't even take the battery into mind. It might be in here. I don't know. Can we use the bench while the oxygen's going down? That's kind of crazy. That's just kind of death wish, huh? Yeah, it's going down pretty fast. Okay, we don't have a battery in here. Where is our battery? Was in the room that we got to go in here? Battery. Battery. I do not see battery in here either. That's not good. Let's keep looking. I found you. Why on earth is the battery in here though? Weird spot to find it. Going in. Oh, dang it. Can you shoot it in? Oh, no, you can't. But it's there. Whoa! Oh my god! Where do you come from? Die. Oh, nice. Achievement. Nice. Get some pulse rounds. How can we do it? Because the enemy is subdued? Nope. We cannot. Do we have to shoot these wires? What do I gotta do? Why won't she work? I am pressing E. Is it bugged? Is this a bug? Hey, we have it. I know for a fact we have it. Let's see, key items right here. Let's go to the upper floor and look just in case, because we've definitely looked everywhere we can down here. Maybe it doesn't want us to do that yet. Maybe I'm just trying to skip a few steps. Wheezer number 6 is down there. This part's still blocked off. Looks like there's something that is still coming. Oh wait, that. How did I even see that? Holt's rig. Holt's rig. This is clearly a key item. Yeah, Captain's rig, not Holt's rig. Ooh, will this give us a more rank and stuff? It might be able to give us more clearance. Okay. Yep. Still wants us to go over here. It has to be here. But it is not working. Huh. How do I get this to work? I don't know if you hear that, but I'm clicking. This thing just refuses to work. Did we grab the key card early? Did like us grabbing it earlier than it wanted us to cause it to like completely bug out? Did it not plan on us going in here so quickly? Hmm. Just trying to see what could work. I think it might just be straight up bugged. Oh, that's so annoying. Okay, I'm back. I figured out what our issue is. Yeah, so apparently it just wanted us to press spacebar. It didn't tell me that at all. But yep, okay. Oh, well, more of these guys. Okay, get out of the corner. Let's fly. Okay, go up, go up, go up. Oh, I'm about to die! Wait! I only just noticed my HP! No! Oh, that's annoying. Okay. At least we figured out our little issue. Ugh. Let's get this final Wheezer injected so we can get done with this little game. Here, this little joke. Oh, that's nice. Honestly, I'll totally take that. Oh yeah, we gotta get the battery. Totally forgot about that. I knew you were behind me. Dang it, and we're also right out of our ammo already. Let's get the card now. I see them trying to launch after me. Oh god. Ah. We gotta get back down there. Whew. Okay. Time to head back up. Sorry, little guy, but you're gone. Whew. Oh, I did not even see you. This is where user number 7 is? Okay. Nice. Let's look in the store, we can save, and I think that's a good place to end off today's video. I thought we would get through all of our little annoyances today, but looks like we're still going to be going through them nonetheless. That's fine though. While I save here, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of us playing Dead Space. If you did, make sure you like down below and subscribe. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next Dead Space video. Goodbye.